This is our walk down to Manning Falls. We've just crossed the river over here, and now we're just on our way following these pink markers to Manning Falls, Manning Gorge. Not quite sure what we're going to find. It's probably about 33 degrees. The sun's fairly warm, but the crossing the river was lovely and cool. So we're nice and cool at the moment. Probably you'll have seen the photos I had before. All the stuff had to get carried over and floated over in some plastic barrels, so it all stayed fairly dry. And now we're just on our way up on the other side of the Manning, I suppose it would be Manning River or Barnett River. Let's call it the Manning River until we know what it's called. It's called Manning Gorge, and heading towards whatever we find at the other end. Yeah, Ayers Rock's certainly granite. Yeah, sort of. I think maybe over this way. Yeah, it's sort of got different layers and stuff. Yeah, different sort of colour though. Not as red as Ayers Rock.
Yeah, or like Carradine and stuff.
No, with likewise. This is a bit like Ayers Rock with the arrows. Yeah. See some of these beautiful wildflowers through here as well.
Yeah.
Like, these everlasting, what are those other pink ones called?
Yeah, they're everlasting.
Oh, okay.
Slightly different variety. Yeah. Yeah, I think. Measures my top.
Oh yeah.
And then put this in.
You're getting all decorated.
Oh, thank you, darling.
How's it going?
Not bad.
Much further to go?
It takes about 45 minutes from the pool,
Sure, okay.
so if you know what time you leave.
No worries. Thank you. G'day.
Hello.
Just look at it. There are these beautiful wildflowers. Quite, what's that, paper? Really solid. Yeah.
Went for about 5 seconds, then he went just like pushed in front of them.
We only gave him about half second.
When I was waiting,
Half second interval to be able to come past. He said, oh, you can run past here. Oh, okay, never mind. And then he just run past.
And-
Ran all the way around.
and I was way behind anyway.
Yeah, isn't it? Might be fun.
Well, you're not having to use your hands, so I reckon it might be class 4. Although it might depend on what it's like further over.
Yeah.
Oh, you okay, Matthew? Yeah,
It's a seed pod. Yeah. Oh wow. So this is at the bottom of Manning Gorge, and there's the falls.
Pretty impressive, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, well, I'll just stay in the shallows for now. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, this is so cool. Well, isn't it? You'd almost say cold, wouldn't you? Yeah, maybe about like Ormiston. Probably maybe even a bit colder, I reckon. Probably not as cold as... Sorry?
A bit colder,
Yeah, not as cold as Ellery.
Oh.
But probably a little bit colder than Ormiston. Yeah, just going back on something to eat.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Well, just wanted a quick cooler. Yeah. Very hard to get the kids' attention. Let's go now.
Sorry.
A bit of it shallower here than out there.
Oh, yeah.
Loads of fish.
They're like loads here. It's very tiring.
Yeah.
Did it go?
Yep. Still going. Yeah, it is, isn't it?
So tiring trying to get under because it's really, really heavy.
Yeah. It's got me. Yeah.
Is there any kind of ground?
Yep.
Wait a minute, I'm right here, what? Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no, that one got away. Alright, let's do it again. Try again.
They always try to come
They're
back.
coming this way. I can see them coming. Now, when you put them around, start to block up their escape.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, look.
Hey, there's one right there.
There's still one there.
There's still one, dude. There's still one there.
Up by Becky.
Is it?
I think so.
Alright. Right, Rick, try again.
You can grab him out now.
I'm gonna grab my little one.
I'm gonna go. Always gonna fly over the land. Oh, wow.
The spike, so careful.
Oh, kitty. Okay.
Okay, put him away now.
Maybe they're not grim.
Oh.
Oh.
Dude, careful.
Look at those spikes in them.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not sure what they are. They might be.
Did you hurt it? Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you please put your hand on that?
I put my foot through it.
Put your hand as well. Your hand as well.
No, I'll put my hand up. I'll put it out here.
Yes, okay, yes. But, can you do it now?
Yeah.
Oh, no. No, you don't hold on. Oh, that's right. Try again.
You didn't bring your head up. Oh, yeah. There it is. Hang on, I'm gonna catch it.
Yeah, you use one hand as thing.
So close.
It's very cool trap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Is that, it's not the same one, is it?
No.
Pretty small.
That'll do.
Oh.
You only had them come out and they said to put it
Okay.
back.
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you like it here, Mims?
Pretty sweet. But no, it's nice.
Looking forward to going home? Not when you
Yes and no.
not when you got something like this.
No,
Hey?
that's right.
How nice is that? And that. It's hard to want to go back to the cold Adelaide winter.
Yeah, that. But other things like washing machines and helping beds and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
But the caravan's not too bad, but washing machines and whatever. Yeah.
That'll do for a week or so. Yay! At the end of Manning Gorge, it's going to get down to the bottom. It's quite deep here.
So have you guys been here for a while?
We came yesterday.
I meant like the Savo.
Oh, we went out there for a while, yeah.
Just some people came back and we said there was a small
It's not too bad.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's probably okay as long as you don't get too excited. You're up.
Come down in your everything in your and then you go that way.
Can I do it by myself?
You want me to come in?
Yeah, maybe. Careful, careful.
I'm trying to lift it up.
Yeah. It stays.